सीएसके के साथ जैसी मैच होता है ना, ऐसे लुक लुक होने लगता है।
Europa for sure because I'm a United fan first and then RCB. Sorry RCB fans.
सीधा आओ MI को हराओ, दिखा दो कि भाई there was nothing fluke about this. They played well.
If you tell me right now, let CSK win this game, but we win the IPL.
And if Pant was not such an incompetent captain, CSK would have lost like about 8 matches in a row, I guess.
चलता है भाई, RCB ने देखा है ये 18 साल, 1 साल CSK फैंस देख रहे हैं, चलता है, कोई नहीं।
RCB edging closer to the playoffs. Meanwhile, CSK already eliminated. What in the Ekta Kapoor ka plot twist this is in IPL 2025. And we are gonna talk to Avanish today first. And before the office vibes even began, he gave me a shocker of an answer, honestly. I was shocked when you said Europa or IPL.
Europa for sure because I'm a United fan first and then RCB. Sorry RCB fans. But I need the IPL. That'll come through. The cricket we're playing, do not fret. We'll get both. Why can't I have both? You're playing my own game with me.
Life is unfair.
I'd stick by United.
But isn't it the best chance for RCB to finally do Esala Cup Namde?
Surely it is, and I've already predicted an MI RCB final, and it'll come down to Rohit become the most decorated player of all time against Virat winning his first, and then I obviously think it's the latter. So Virat to win it, and United to win it. It's back to back in May. Let me have some fun.
You know, I'll ask you, Akshay, would you like to gift some, what would you gift to Roshan over here, who was a CSK fan? Would you like to gift him a new RCB merch and, you know, let him support RCB, or some tissues to wipe off the tears the franchise has given them this season?
Nah man, I'm a live and let live kind of person. That's perfectly fine. I'll watch it with him. I hope he also enjoys the game. चलता है भाई, RCB ने देखा है ये 18 साल, 1 साल CSK फैंस देख रहे हैं, चलता है, कोई नहीं।
How would you want to convey one message to them to cheer them up?
कुछ नहीं, हम भी पेले गए थे, तुम भी पेले जाओगे। बस।
And RCB versus CSK, one of the biggest clashes coming. Prediction.
Prediction, yeah, match to be rained out, 1 point shared by both sides.
I'll ask you, Avanish, what would you prefer? RCB winning against Chennai Super Kings at Chinnaswamy, or RCB losing the final versus MI?
Oh, if you tell me right now, let CSK win this game, but we win the IPL. As simple as that. We've lost to them, 5 times at the Chinnaswamy, and I think we beat them 5 times at the Chinnaswamy. So if whoever wins this, it's going to be interesting in terms of head-to-head. But for sure, right now, if you tell me, and RCB fans watching this, you guys agree with me, RCB to lose tomorrow but win the final against MI.
You would prefer that?
Yeah. What would you prefer?
Win the final, for sure. I mean, and Roshan, I'll ask you this. MS धोनी और यश दयाल का लास्ट ओवर आपको याद होगा, 17 रन जो चाहिए थे, जो हुआ, तो आप देखते हैं धोनी को वो रिवेंज लेते हुए. Is it धोनी or somebody else for CSK?
आई थिंक धोनी का पता नहीं मुझे, लेकिन कल का जो मैच होगा वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। एक चीज़ तो मुझे पता चल गया है कि आरसीबी के जो फैंस हैं ना, टॉप ऑफ द टेबल हैं, लेकिन अभी भी वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है कि कल जीतने वाले हैं। नॉट इवन, मतलब लुप लुप हो गया है उनका अभी भी। सीएसके के साथ जैसी मैच होता है ना, ऐसे लुप लुप होने लगता है। चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स के साथ मैच हो और आरसीबी फैंस कॉन्फिडेंट हो, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता। या आप एज अ फैंस, एज अ सीएसके फैन, ठीक है, वी आर डाउन बॉटम ऑफ द टेबल, 5 ट्रॉफी उन्होंने दिया है हमको चीयर करने के लिए। 1 साल बुरा हुआ है, इस बार हमारा टाइम है, वी सपोर्ट द टीम, देखते हैं कल क्या होता है।
Anirudh, tell me what is more consistent this season, CSK losing matches or Virat Kohli's form?
CSK losing matches because they've lost like what 9 matches so far.
So you're never going to praise Virat Kohli, no matter what I ask.
I mean, it's not fair. You asked a question, I wanted to take a shot at CSK, so I took a shot at CSK. And if Pant was not such an incompetent captain, CSK would have lost like about 8 matches in a row, I guess. CSK end up winning tomorrow, then all these CSK fans will pretend like this season never happened and they'll be like happy with just the one win. So even though I support Punjab and the CSK win would be beneficial for Punjab finishing in the top 2, I would like to sort of cheer for RCB tomorrow. You know, I'm in a very, very big dilemma because I want a first time winner, and which means that I don't want Mumbai to sort of finish top 2 and, you know, win the IPL.
Vikas, now you tell me, what can stop RCB from here? Their own nerves or any other opposition?
हमें सिर्फ आरसीबी हरा सकती है।
Their own nerves.
पहली बात तो मैं रोशन को करेक्ट करना चाहूंगा। उसने कहा कि एक बुरा साल, 3 मेरे भाई, 3 जो 2 साल में आप नहीं थे, वो दोनों को भी प्लीज कंसिडर करना।
आरसीबी को कौन रोक सकता है?
RCB
आरसीबी के
को-
खुद के नर्व्स या कोई ऑपोजिशन? एंड बाय
RCB
ऑपोजिशन
यार, I
आई
think
मीन एमआई ऑफ कोर्स.
बहुत बहुत इजी जवाब है इसका कि मुंबई इंडियंस जिस तरीके से खेल रहा है, आई थिंक आरसीबी क्या पंजाब जीटी कोई भी हो, आई थिंक डरना चाहिए. डरावनी टीम है मुंबई इंडियंस, लेट्स बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. तो या
Pramod, can you tell me what made MI so dangerous this season? They won 6 matches on the trot, and whenever they have managed to do so, like at least once they won the trophy in 2017. They did that in 2008 as well.
It's not really surprising that they've managed to win so many matches. They have a good team. Now with Bumrah also back after I think the second or third game, I think they've become even stronger. So yeah, as you said, previous seasons they've strung a bunch of wins together. I think this season will be no different. I think I am with Avnish on this. They will make the final along with RCB hopefully this time.
Who would want MI versus RCB final here?
अरे नहीं भाई, ये तो क्या नकली टीम आई थी फाइनल में, तो इनको हरा के क्या ही करोगे? सीधा आओ, एमआई को हराओ, दिखा दो कि भाई there was nothing fluke about this. They played well. They ended up winning the trophy. So
And it's the two best teams.
Exactly.
By far, so far after 50 matches, two best teams. RCB, hopefully they meet them in the top 2 as well in the qualifier.
No, I mean RCB has a bad history against MI when it comes to playoffs. Why would you want to face them?
Good to beat the best. If you deserve the IPL, you got to beat the best. You can't just be like fluking it and then win and then beat some washed GT. I wouldn't want to take that.
But if not for RCB, which is that one team you would want to win?
None. I'm not watching the IPL if they don't make it.
And we also have a debutant, Gotham, who I think, which team you support?
I support Sunrisers Hyderabad, but we all know where they are on the table. So I'm a huge Virat and Jasprit Bumrah fan, and since you've been asking which two teams you would like to see at the top, I think it'll be RCB and MI, and I want RCB to win.
Now tell me, which is that one player from RCB that can spoil the party for them this season?
I feel it could be Devdutt, but I hope not.
Why? I mean, he has been too good of a player. I feel
Of
this.
course, he has been good, but still there is some confidence. There is a part of him like where we are not confident about him. He has done really well. He has played 5 impactful knocks. Obviously, guy who has been bought for a base price, it's a really good thing. But considering other players, I feel Devdutt is the weakest point.
And for CSK, which is that one player that can, spoil the party for RCB in the match?
I hope it's not Dewald Brevis. I really like him, so that will make me dislike him. So I hope it won't be Brevis.
Okay, he really looks scary. And Gautam, same question to you. Who could be that one CSK player that can spoil the party for RCB?
And Sam Curran was good in the previous game, so I think going by his form, he could be one player RCB have to keep an eye on.
So the CDC boys look really excited for RCB versus CSK. What are your predictions? Do let us know in the comments. Cricket!